Welcome to The Conscious Organizer. I'm professional organizer Lisa Archilla, and this channel is for intuitive, aspiring, and seasoned professional home organizers who are looking to start their own business or want to elevate their current one. My passion is helping people learn they have the ability to change their lives. You know, as professional organizers, we help people experience the amazing freedom and healing power of decluttering and organizing their homes on a regular basis. But sometimes, as solo entrepreneurs in a service industry, we get stuck in our lives and in our own businesses, and we need the resources and encouragement to help us move forward and create our best lives. To have a thriving organizing business, you need to be confident and growing in 4 aspects: people, organizing, business, and mindset. TCO's content will explore all 4 of those aspects from an intuitive and energetically sensitive perspective. I'll share information, inspiration, and practical tools to help with those areas that we as professional organizers struggle with. You may have come to this channel because you just love organizing, or because you're curious about working in the organizing industry and you don't know if it's really right for you or how to get started. TCO can be a great resource whether you're wanting to organize as a side hustle or a full-time job. And honestly, starting a business is not for everyone, so you may want to consider becoming an assistant organizer. And if that sounds interesting to you, there's more information in the description below. So whether you're just exploring the possibilities, you've just started your own organizing business, or perhaps you're already an experienced professional organizer, I'm so glad you're here. And I hope you'll join me on this fun and inspiring journey as we take ourselves and our businesses to the next level. If that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the channel. Welcome to The Conscious Organizer. I'm professional organizer Lisa Archilla, and this channel is for intuitive, aspiring, and seasoned professional home organizers who want to perhaps start their own business or just elevate their current one. My passion is about helping people learn they have the power to change their lives.